Good morning, children. Take your functional English grammar book. In previous class, I have given the homework of page number 15, practice time of C, changing the positive sentences into negative sentences by using the negative form of, what is negative form? NOT not. I have explained you about this table and I have given this one homework. In today's class, page number 16, children. What is your page number 16 here? Positive and negative. Now compare the sentences in the table given below. How to see? What is speciality? How to compare? What is the difference between this table and in previous page table? Here only we have used not, no see. And in yesterday's previous class I told you is, am, are, were, all these are all called verbs I told you, no? So see, what is the difference between this page table and previous page table? See, positive, what is here? I am keeping well. Positive sentence. What is negative sentence? Which negative form we are using here? NOT not. I am not keeping well. Okay, I am not keeping well. Now see, take third sentence. Sorry, fourth one. She was making chapatis. Fourth, see. She was making chapatis. What is negative? See, she was not making chapatis. She was not making chapatis here. Chapatis. So now coming to next sentence. I can come tomorrow. One more sentence. I cannot write all the sentences. Just I am writing. I am explaining about one or two or three sentences. See. I can come tomorrow. One more sentence. I can come tomorrow. Okay? And what is negative? See here. I cannot come tomorrow. Okay. So what is difference between in today's class of page number 16, this table, in previous class table, here I told you is, am, are, was, were. All these are all called verbs I told you. Now in today's page, now see here, the positive sentence in the above table consists of verb made of two parts. In this positive sentences, what are made two parts? See, here what two parts are there? What are the two parts here, children? Am, and coming in first sentence, keeping. See here. And next, second sentence, was. Again, making. See. Next, can. Next, come. What is difference? That is, this is only the difference of this table in a previous page table. See, the positive sentence in the above table consists of verb made of two parts. Such sentences are changed into negative ones by adding NOT not. Even in the previous class also NOT not only. But what is difference, you know, in this table and this table? Here verb is only one verb, children. That is the difference. Page number 15 verb is only one. Page number 16 two verbs. I mean verb is made of two parts actually. So one is am, keeping. Next second sentence was making. This one can come. See, changing into negative ones by adding NOT not between the two parts. What are the two parts here? See, I am not keeping well. See, change it into negative ones by adding not between the two parts. What are the two parts here? See, I am not keeping. What are the verb here? Am is verb and keeping is also verb only, where we have to keep the negative form not not. See, not not must write between these two parts of the verb children. Here also see here, was verb and making verb. What type of verbs do you know? So in this page, was, is, and these are all what you know, can. Helping verbs. What are the main verbs? Keeping, making, come. These are all the main verbs. Again, that's verb is different. Helping verbs and main verbs. So we have to write negative form not between the two parts of the verbs children. Okay? See here. Where in negative sentences. In negative sentence, when we are changing the positive sentences into negative sentences, not not a negative form must write between the two parts of the word. Here also see here. Not is there, no? Can and come. Not was, see here, between two parts of the word, can and come. That is the difference. Now see, practice time. How many sentences are there? Exercise D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 sentences, positive sentences, but here no, directly all these sentences are not positive. See, they have given in the bracket according to the word which was given in the bracket. Like that we have to change the sentence. You observe carefully. See, change the following sentences into positive or negative as suggested. What is the solution here? They have given the word in the bracket. Change into negative or to positive or to negative. Like that we have to change. When you write positive, there is no negative form of no or not not. When you change the sentence into negative, you have to use what? Not not. Okay? Now see here. First one. The crowd is gathering around the performers. See here? I will write on the blackboard. Exercise D of number 1. Children understood now? In this page number 16, verb was made into 2 parts. What are the 2 parts here? Am, keeping. This sentence, when we are changing into negative, the negative form must write between the 2 parts of the verb am and keeping. Here was and making and can and come. Okay? Coming to exercise D, see how to write. How to write? Exercise D. Number 1. See here. The crowd is gathering. The crowd is gathering around the performers. Okay, what they have given us, what they have suggested, to negative. We have to change this sentence into negative. All these 1 to 5 are not negative sentences, not positive sentences. According to the word given in the bracket, we have to change the sentence into negative or positive. To negative. But first sentence we have to change into negative. Is it a positive sentence or negative sentence? You can tell me first. This is a positive sentence. How? Because there is no a negative form of what is that? No or not. How to change this one here? Answer. The crowd is not. Observe carefully. Not gathering around the performers. Performers means who are doing the, acting. See, doing the work. Performers. So what to observe here? See, not not is negative form. Negative form this word is placed between what children? Is verb, helping verb and gathering main verb. Like that you have to write. Okay? See. Second one, see, I am not writing a letter to my grandfather. Don't see the bracket word. You tell me what sentence is this? This is a negative sentence. Why? Because not not a negative form is there. So how to change into positive sentence? Very easy. I am writing a letter to my grandfather. That's all. Okay? You have to do this 1 to 5 sentences of exercise D of page number 16 in your English homework book. In previous class I told you how to send me the homework. Okay? Right.